Let's see kung masarap at kung crunchy. At tingnan nyo naman, this looks so good and so yummy. Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, and for today's video ako po ay magmumukbang lang ng aking homemade shrimp roll. So ayan, magluto na po tayo. Ang ginawa ko lang po dito ay binalot ko lang po siya sa wrapper, shrimp roll wrapper or lumpia wrapper, char! Nabulo na naman ako. With avocado, slice of avocado and coriander leaves. Ayan. So ayan, naluto na po siya at let's see kung masarap at kung crunchy. At tingnan nyo naman, this looks so good and so yummy, right? At dahil din ako nakapag-video kung paano ko to ginawa, i-attach ko po dito ang recipe. Umpisa na natin ang pagmukbang guys. At syempre ako'y magkakanin. I like rice with this, or you can also eat with salad or anything. Ako'y nagdadahan-dahan lang kumain guys at marami-rami for me ito. At syempre with rice and vegetables. At yun na nga guys, ginanahan lang akong mag-video or gumawa nitong content na ito. At ayan, naumpisahan ko na ngang kumain. Ayan guys, so I just want to add about cleaning the shrimp. Dinivian nyo po yung shrimp, don't peel it everything. Iiwanan nyo po yung tail kasi yan po yung parang design nyo. Makikita nyo po sa video yung dulo ng tail ng shrimp is still there. I just peeled the body and removed the head of the shrimp. So guys, I will also share about cutting the shrimp para hindi mag-curl pagka niluto niya, para maging straight po yung ating shrimp roll. You have to cut or slit a little bit on the side of the body. Sa bottom po siya. Sa nag-curl, para hindi po mag-curl sa bandang tiyan, hindi po sa likod. Hiwaan nyo ng mga 3 para po mag-straight yung shrimp. So if you got it, you will also cook perfect as I did. Perfect daw, char. I just love this recipe guys. So what you need is the spring roll wrapper, shrimp, avocado, ripe avocado, coriander leaves. If walang coriander leaves, pwede naman, but coriander leaves is also good and added a taste and a aroma. It's an herb guys. Nahirapan akong ubusin guys. Yung 10 pieces ay marami na sa akin. So, nahirapan ako ubusin dahil mukbang pinanindigan ko na to until maubos ko. As you can see, I'm getting full already. I'm so full already, but I still eating because it's so yummy. Yan. At yan guys, hindi na ako halos makapagsalita dahil I'm almost feeling full already. Nabitin ako sa ketchup at gusto ko pang magdagdag. What are you waiting for? You try this recipe of mine and I'm sure you will like it. I'm happy to share. And also, please like this video, comment, and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and for more videos, i-bell nyo na rin yung ring na yan para ma-notify kayo sa aking mga upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching and see you around, and I'm happy that you are here. Bye everyone! Thank you for watching!